Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe it's already December. Today is Thursday, I think December 2nd. It's crazy. I feel like the year just started and it's already gone, passed by, which is kind of scary. But anyway guys, so every week I'm gonna try to declutter something in my house for this month. This is my plan. We're gonna first start it with the formal living room, the dining room, and the linen closet today. And I also have to give my cat a bath. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. That's what I have on my list to do today. So why not take you guys with me? Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and like this video for more. And if you was already here, welcome back, welcome back. Let's get to work. One of today's project is this hallway closet. I don't even know what's in there. So today I'm so happy that I finally have the time to go through it and then organize it, hopefully. Anyway, let's get to work and see how it's gonna come out.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see
This looks so nice empty. So I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna put in there. Probably just sheets, blanket, and towels. Let me sweep first because there's so much nonsense on the floor. And these were all the nonsense that was in there. Yep. Let's go ahead and put all the sheets and pillowcases and throw blankets, because what else am I gonna put in there, you know? I'm also gonna put some towels, you know? So let's do that.
from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so so now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do, baby.
Okay, this is what I did to the closet. It looks so neat now, which I like. Hopefully it stays like that, but I don't know, we shall see. Actually, I think it will stay because nobody really come in here. So yeah, at the end of the closet I just put 2 baskets and put everything that I don't use every day in there. To be honest, I don't even know what's in there. I have some towels, some throw blankets. I try to color coordinate it, but I don't know, I tried, you know. And I put the those big blankets on the top because you know how it is. This is Florida, we don't use them every day. Yep. What you doing? Relaxing, enjoying the sun, the morning sun. So good on the body. On the skin? It's good on the skin? Huh, pretty girl? Alright then. This is the dining room. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off the table because I do not need them anymore. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those pumpkins actually. They are real. Maybe I should make some pumpkin soup. They're still hard. Like those things stay for months. Wow, yeah.
Let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you.
project number 2 is done, completely done. I love what I use on the table. It's so shiny. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it empty because I don't know what to put in the middle of it now, because all my decors that I had in there while ago, I don't even know why I put them. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Maybe I'll get some new stuff to put on top of the table, but right now just the clutter is not there anymore. It feels so nice and I just love it. Maybe I might just leave it like that. But yeah, done with it. I clean it, I vacuum, I dust those chairs. So yeah, now let's go and do bing.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe.
Okay, all done cleaning and all the fall stuff are out. It just looks so nice again. So this makes me very happy. It's all done cleaning. I washed those curtains. And these are the new pillow that I showed you guys a few videos ago, like 2 weeks ago. I love them here so much. Now it smells so good, feels so fresh in here. Everything is clean, vacuum, dust. So yep. And I added new things right here. I need racks to put those wood. I'm not gonna use that. This gotta go in storage for next year, but I don't have the rack yet, so that's why I leave it here. Yep. Anyway guys, now that I am done with this room, the dining room and the linen closet, one more thing we gotta be doing is give the cat a bath. So let's do that. First thing I'm gonna do is put some water in there, not too much. No. And then just put her in there.
Safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you?
Shake it, shake it, shake it, and jump in here. And done, looking like a wet rat. All right.
What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you?
Anyway guys, that was all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe and like for more, and I will see you next week with a brand new video. Bye.